specific to the disease.
And
In general,
season-wise.
season wise. So it could be as per your prakriti, it could be as per the season, or it could be as per your the disease. But rasayan, the definition of rasayan itself means it is nourishing the whole body. You call it multivitamin or you call it rasayan, it's one and the same. Yes, I didn't hear you. Rasayan, Chyawanprash is one of the rasayan. Other rasayan could be having Triphala. Triphala itself is a rasayan. So having Haritaki, Harada is a rasayan. Having a combination of Gokshur, Gokru, Amalki and Amruta. That is a best rasayan. Amalki is Amla, Gokshur, Gokru, that is one herb, and Amruta is a herb. We call it Gulvel or Amruta. Combination of these three in equal quantities taken in the morning acts as a rasayan. So there are many rasayans available. Triphala is the best. No, this is not Triphala. Triphala is Avla, Bherda and Harda. This is another combination. That is these are different combinations. We can don't every rasayan doesn't have a name. This is a combination where Amruta, Amalki and Gokshur, these three things are mixed in equal quantity, and it works like magic. You have to take it with honey and ghee, mixed with honey and ghee in the morning, empty stomach. No, Gokshur is a herb which actually works on the urinary system. So it helps. One herb works on the urinary system, one works on the brain, and one works on the digestion or the liver. So this is a combination of these three herbs. Amla, Gokshur and Amruta. Sorry. Equal quantity. With ghee and honey, early morning, empty stomach.
What about the consumption of milk? If this should be the ideal time for milk consumption?
Meal consumption or milk?
And second question is, how about combining milk with fruits?
Milk with fruits is not allowed except for mango, if it is a ripe mango. And milk can be had in this age in a good quantity, but it has to be hot milk. Cold milk doesn't help. It has to be hot milk. You can skip your dinners and have a glass of hot milk. That could help. But cold milk actually in this age doesn't, it actually suppresses the digestive fire. It has to be Agni Sanskarit. Digestive fire inside the body is weak. So if you do Agni Sanskar outside and then drink it, it is easy to digest like that.
It's not that it's good for acidity.
Which? Cold, no, it's not like that. It's not like that. For anyone who is drinking milk, the milk has to be hot. Yeah.
But milk is difficult to digest, is it?
Yeah. Milk is heavy to digest, so it has to be Agni Sanskar. It has to be hot, and you drink it hot, only it is digested well.
So as you said, if you skip a dinner and you have hot milk, you will require some time for it to digest.
Yeah, if you're having 7 o'clock, if you're having a glass of milk, and if you're sleeping at 9:30, then it's fine. You have skipped your dinner and you have